So if I had to choose 5 drywall tools for repairs as a painter, and it would start with the 6-inch joint knife. This is the Superflexx by Hyde. It's a fantastic blade. For our first coats, laying down the tape, doing small repairs, stuff like that, we always are using that. And then for our second, third, fourth, depending on what we're doing, we'll use a 12-inch knife. This is the Hyde 12-inch knife. It is a great knife. Again, has that same handle detail as our 6-inch, which I really like. And this is for finish coats, for nice tight finish, and for floating out patches. Another one is our mud pan. So I prefer a mud pan. A lot of guys like Hawks and other things, but the mud pan is nice because you can hold a lot of material. If you're using quick dry stuff, you can mix it within the pan. It's great, and I feel like this, for me, is extremely essential. We have a utility knife, so we'll utilize the utility knife if we're cutting sheetrock, if we have to cut back sheetrock for replacing, and it's an essential tool in my eyes for if you got a hole in the wall, you're cutting a piece of drywall for a patch. This is essentially what I would use all the time. So, and lastly, I always have to carry a 5-way on me, and when I'm doing a lot of repairs, I prefer the Hyde painter's tool with the hammerhead and the flip bit. So this one has the head for dimpling if you have imperfections that need to be pushed into the wall or the surface, and it also has the flip bit for screws and anything that you need to tighten up before you're applying your patch. So if there's only 5 tools that I could use for drywall and repairs on a painting job, these would be it.